Welcome to Section 1 of our Viral Marketing video training. In this section, we'll talk about what viral marketing is all about and the 4 core elements of a powerful viral marketing campaign. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What viral marketing is all about. What is it? Viral marketing, also known as viral advertising, refers to marketing that seeks to exploit online trends and social behavior to produce exponential increases in brand awareness, content sharing, rapid sales, and other marketing objectives. The viral part of the name is attributed to the ways in which viral marketing techniques achieve promotional goals, often mimicking the spread of computer viruses through methods that trigger self-replicating behaviors, such as word of mouth. Viral spread of information online is mostly attributed to the social nature of the transmission of information on the World Wide Web. Viral marketing differs from other advertising methods because it is not paid advertisement. Although viral content can be shared by corporate sponsors, it doesn't mean that the actual campaigns are paid for, nor do they need to be. Instead, viral marketing relies on the quality of content being shared and the social outreach of the people sharing it. The ultimate goal of viral marketing is to reach individuals with high social networking potential that can help spread information on a very rapid basis to a very broad audience, meeting the objectives set forth for the viral marketing campaign, no matter if it leaves a short or a long-standing impression. What defines viral marketing as viral? Viral marketing that works needs to meet 3 specific criteria to transform an ordinary message into a viral one. Having the right messengers. 3 types of messengers intervene in the process of causing information to go viral, each one corresponding to a different stage in the process. The first type of messenger is the market expert. This is the first individual or group of individuals to be exposed to the message before it goes viral. This is because market experts are in the know and up to date with trends. These experts, often known as authorities or influencers, then pass the message to their different social connections. These social connections are spread among many online subcultures that serve as a bridge for the message to be spread further from the initial connection. The last messenger involved is the salesperson or marketer, who then amplifies the message by making it more persuasive and relevant, spreading it further to meet the initial marketing goal. Providing the right message. To go viral, a message is required to have a must-see ring to it. It must be memorable and interesting enough to become a truly infectious phenomenon. In simpler words, the message needs to be something that people will want to show to their connections. Being in the right environment. Although it is true that the popularity of a message cannot be predicted, changes in the environment and context in which the message is intended to be spread can lead to great results. Timing and context surrounding the launch of a message are crucial to make it go viral. How does it work? The viral process starts when information reaches a susceptible user, and that user becomes infected, which means that the user accepts the idea, shares the idea with others, and infects them with it. From that point forward, the process becomes self-replicating behavior. An example would be a user that shares a video with 100 other users through a given social media channel. Each one of those users share the same video with 100 other users, and so on. Due to this, the message gets spread across many platforms and reaches many people. Once the message gets spread through repeating behavior like email forwarding, social media sharing, and instant messaging, it is considered viral. Pros and cons. The advantages of a viral marketing service are high credibility, low costs, great reach, high efficiency, and the opportunity of continuous promotional adjustments. Reasons for the wild popularity of viral marketing include, but are not limited to, socializing and networking, which have gotten people closer than ever before. A seemingly endless amount of potential methods and vehicles to deliver the message, with mobile devices as a prime example of the physical means facilitating the spread of content online. Viral marketing is one of the most cost-effective methods for promoting business-related activities, and resources are readily available online and are easy to use and implement in any type of campaign. In spite of the risks involved, viral marketing has the ability to draw in the greatest potential audience at a convincingly low cost, dramatically increasing the outreach of your business. The main disadvantages of using viral marketing for driving marketing goals include association with unknown individuals and groups. The strength of viral marketing heavily depends on how a message is transmitted from one person to another. People and audiences that you would rather not interact with can easily be reached this way. Spam threats. Viral marketing can lead to two forms of spam issues when not correctly planned. Your campaign will either come up as a spamming campaign, or you might become the target of spammers and unsolicited contacts. And it may not work to promote financial-based offers depending on the type of audience that you end up reaching. Usual strategies that make things go viral. Publishing content based on proven frameworks by finding old content that did well when it went viral and crush it with something even better. The key is to identify gaps in that content and fill those gaps with something that is relevant for the time of the planned release. Then start promoting like there's no tomorrow. Delivering content by word of mouth. Social, functional, and emotional factors attached to an item can get people talking about it. This is especially useful when promoting products. Viral promotions may take the form of video clips, interactive flash games, advertising games, ebooks, software, images, or even text messages. Choose accordingly. Customer participation and polling services. Plain classic email forwarding, using buzzwords to invoke a word or phrase that becomes very popular for a period of time. And online advertising. Stay with us for the following video to learn what the core elements are that make a powerful viral marketing campaign be, well, powerful. The 4 core elements of a powerful viral marketing campaign. In our previous video, we talked about how viral marketing is all about dramatically boosting outreach by making lots of people pump our content in all directions across many channels at the fastest rate possible. That is why it is called viral, because viral content spreads much like a computer virus, this time intentionally. We also talked about how viral marketing is not magical, that people do not share content virally only on the merits of good content, and that a successfully run viral marketing campaign heavily depends on the actions put forward by the people involved, whether they knew that they were sharing content to make it viral or not. In this video, we are going to talk about the 4 elements that are at the core of what makes content go viral, or basically what the messengers, the message, and the environment need to do to send a campaign through the roof. Viral website. While it is true that much of what has become viral since the term viral began, there is a very relevant aspect of said content that people tend to forget about, where the content is housed. That is, any website can potentially go viral if the content on it allows for it. But when this happens, it is actually a matter of luck and unintentional. If you want something to go viral, you need to add viral levers to it to increase the chances. In the early days of the internet, viral content needed a viral website to be strikingly unusual. Nowadays, a viral website just needs to be responsive, be search engine friendly, and host trending, high-quality content. Viral content. Regarding trending and high-quality content previously mentioned, your website will be next to nothing without content. Not just any type of content, mind you, but content with the highest possibility of going viral. Content that will not only make people want to share it with their friends, but content that they feel needs to be shared with the whole world if possible. Viral content needs to be understood as content that not only targets a niche audience, but that caters to a large number of people from different subcultures. An example of non-viral content would be if you have food recipes, because food recipes will only be of interest to food-minded people. It can, of course, go kind of viral within a certain audience, but its outreach will not go further than that. An example of viral content is celebrity gossip, because celebrities inundate almost every aspect of popular culture, and word about something that a celebrity did will undoubtedly land on the newsfeed of anyone with a social network account. Viral content can also be miscellaneous stuff that is so out of the norm that it deserves to be shared, like new tech products, scientific discoveries, and news pieces. To summarize, viral content needs to meet the following criteria. It needs to touch an emotional chord within people, be it joy or sadness. It needs to drive intense curiosity, and it needs to be about something recognizable. Social media. Social media is, without a shadow of doubt, a giant force behind making something go viral. This is because social media makes it really easy for content to spread at a really fast rate among different groups of people, with each group reaching out to other groups of people until a piece of viral content is all over the place. Any marketer can leverage social media to spread content like there's no tomorrow, thanks to the very nature of the ways in which social media channels work and the options made available to them. For starters, once you get a piece of content out there and it reaches people with high social networking potential, these highly social individuals put it out there for their contacts to share. Then your content becomes an unstoppable tidal wave that is not easy to contain. In a matter of mere hours, your content will easily become a worldwide sensation. On the other hand, most social networks give you paid advertising options that you can use to give a little boost to your viral marketing campaign, or to outright promote it in an aggressive manner. No matter your approach, if your content is high quality and qualifies as viral, social media will take it out there, guaranteed. The clearest examples of social networks putting viral content on the map are Facebook and Twitter. Facebook, of course, will help a great deal because it is the most popular social network on the planet. And Twitter works for viral content thanks to the fast-paced way in which content is shared across the network. Monetization. Finally, it is worth mentioning that if you are intentionally making viral marketing, then you should monetize it. Viral marketing is designed to drive as many people to see your content as possible, and monetization can be a really easy task to pull off. That's mainly because you will be taking these people to the same place to consume your viral content, your viral website. The main way to monetize your viral website is by in-site advertising using a platform such as Google AdSense to insert ads in your viral website. People visiting your website on a daily basis will see ads targeted at them, click on them, and earn you money. This is the safest monetization strategy, but you can also monetize a viral website through affiliate marketing with the use of cost per acquisition offers in your website, or by introducing e-commerce elements to your viral website. Stick around for our next video and learn how you can start setting up your viral website the easy way with WordPress. Welcome to Section 2 of our Viral Marketing video training. In this section, we will talk about setting up your viral website with WordPress, adding must-have plugins for viral power, and enabling viral power tools in your website. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Setting up your viral website with WordPress. Installing WordPress. Well, installing WordPress is simple. Hosting services have made the process as easy as possible. If HostGator is your hosting service of choice, go to the software area and click on Quick Install. Then click on WordPress. Pick the domain where you would like to install your domain. You can also decide if you would like to install it on a folder inside of that domain. If you want to install it on the root domain, just leave this empty and click on Next. After that, fill out all necessary information, check the terms of service, and click on Install Now. Well, that took less than a minute. Extremely simple, right? You'll now see your login details, which you should keep in a safe place. Leveraging the best themes for viral websites. When you create a viral website, you cannot just settle for any type of commonplace theme or use a theme just because you like how it looks, if what you want is to drive viral content through your website. That is why there is a good variety of website themes available that have been designed with user engagement in mind. Themes designed for viral websites increase user interaction and increase the chances of a given piece of content of going viral thanks to the way they are designed. Thankfully, we have compiled some of the best themes available for WordPress that you can use on your own website. These viral themes are used by some of the best viral websites around like BuzzFeed.com and ViralNova.com, and you'll only need to do some clicks on your mouse to get them installed from the WordPress marketplace. Some of these are premium paid themes and some are free themes, so choose based on your needs and budget. If you're new to WordPress and are not sure about how to start installing a theme for your WordPress site, just go to your dashboard, place your mouse pointer on the Appearance tab, click on Themes, and then click on Add New. Some themes, however, will be posted on external marketplaces, so make sure to use keywords related to the type of functionalities that you want to have on your WordPress themes. Use Google to find a marketplace offering them. The following themes are some of the best that you can start installing today. Valenti. Valenti is a premium WordPress theme priced at $59 and designed for viral websites. It is a fully responsive, retina-ready, high-definition review magazine-style theme that allows users to build cool viral websites with a custom drag-and-drop feature. It does not require users to have coding experience to start creating great viral websites, and it's on sale at themeforest.com. Socially Viral. Socially Viral is a WordPress theme designed to boost social shares, hype, and revenue. It has an engaging design, and it will place your most popular posts at the top based on the number of views they are getting. It has a newsletter widget, is Mega Menu compatible, and it loads super fast. It is a premium theme priced at $59 and can be found in the WordPress marketplace. Surframa. This is a favorite among WordPress users thanks to how minimal it is. This is one of the most popular, widely functional, free WordPress themes. It has a super cool menu, right sidebar menus for categories, and shows the latest post published. It is only lacking more attention-grabbing social buttons. To get it, just head over to surframa.com and click on Get This Theme. Human. Human is another free, responsive, and high-resolution theme for your viral WordPress site. Among the most interesting features that you can find on it are extensive styling and flexible layout options, integrated share counts, unlimited widget areas, and a featured slider. You can find it in the WordPress marketplace by looking up its name on the search bar.